This is the American hornbeam, and this is another one of my favorite trees, and I come across it a lot while I'm hiking. It's a tree of many common names, and they all seem to refer to its interesting trunk or bark characteristics, like musclewood for the trunk's sinewy, flexed muscle-like appearance, or blue beech for the bark's thin, smooth, beech-like appearance. But actually, the hornbeam is in the birch family of Betulaceae, and like other birches, it gets these really neat flower clusters called catkins in the early spring. They're great in the summer, but they're even better in the fall with their patchwork foliage of reds and yellows and purples. And because of their interesting bark texture, they're great for a wintertime garden. They're hardy from zones 3 through 9, and they're native to pretty much everywhere on the right side of the Mississippi River. Maxing out at 20 to 30 feet, they're by nature an understory tree, so they're perfectly happy in the shade. But you can also plant them in the full sun if you're in a cooler climate where they won't be subjected to prolonged oppressive heat and drought conditions. But it's a tough little tree, and it can tolerate a variety of soil conditions. But avoid planting the American hornbeam where it might experience runoff from de-icing salts in the wintertime. So consider the American hornbeam, a tree that I love to see in the forest, but also one that has great potential for the landscape.